Hello, welcome to the lesson, Decision Making. I'm excited to have you here. Let's begin, shall we? Click on Begin Lesson to start the lesson. In this lesson, we will learn the meaning of decision making, the process to make decisions. Before we start this lesson, let's understand what you already know and what you want to learn about this topic. Drag and place the options in the appropriate box. Making decisions about simple things. The process of decision making. Very good. Sharing what you know and what you want to learn will help you improve your own learning. Priya has completed her 12th standard. She likes to draw and paint. It makes her very happy. She does not know what to do after 12th standard.
I can take a course at ITI, but which course should I take? I have searched on the internet. I have also discussed with my relatives. My uncle says that working in the field of computers is very good.
Click Next to see Priya's options.
There are many ITI courses using computers. I can learn data entry and become an office assistant, or I can learn desktop publishing and become a DTP operator. I have decided I will take DTP course. As a DTP operator, I can use my drawing and art skills. On the job, I can learn digital art skills also. This will help me become a graphic designer.
Priya made her decision after exploring different options. Decision making is a process of choosing between two or more options. Here are the steps followed in decision making. Click on each step to know more. Step 1. Identify the problem. We need to find out what the real issue is. It is important to clearly define the problem. Step 2. Generate options. Note down all the different options that you have. Think out of the box and come up with a variety of options. Step 3. Select the best option. Think of the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Select the option with the most advantages and least disadvantages. Step 4. Implement the decision. Put the decision into action. Step 5. Evaluate and learn from the decision. If the decision that you made is not giving you the results, go back to the first step of decision making. Based on what you learned, answer the following questions. Click on the Begin button to answer the questions. Sarita has recently completed a course in dressmaking from ITI Kuppam. She wants to become a fashion designer. Her father runs a tailoring shop and wants her to work with him. Sarita needs to decide if she should join her father's business or work with a fashion designer. What is the next step that Sarita should take to make her decision? Think about the options properly. Take a decision quickly. You're right. Sarita should think about the options properly. She can do this by understanding the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Megha has recently joined a call center. She is finding it difficult to speak English. She decides to take up an online course on spoken English. What should Megha do next? Think about the problem. Put the decision into action. You are right. After taking the decision, Megha should put it into action. That is, she should join the course and start studying. Choose if the statement is true or false. If the decision that you made is not working, you must go back to the first step of decision making. True, false. You're right. If the decision that you made is not working, you must go back to the first step of decision making. Here is a task for you. Use the decision making process to make your decision regarding the following. Which career pathway is the best for you? Share the process of arriving at the decision with your friends on the Quest App community page or other ITI groups on social media. Now that we have completed the lesson, share what you have learned from this lesson. Choose the options from the menu. What I learned from this lesson. Making decisions about simple things. The process of decision making. Thank you for sharing what you learned from this lesson. Here is a recap of what you learned in this lesson. Decision making is a process of choosing between two or more options. The 5 logical steps to follow to make decisions are identifying problems, generating options, selecting the best option, implementing decision, learning from decision. Now that we have completed this lesson, let's assess ourselves to understand our own learning. Think of what you learned and choose if you feel like a seed, plant, or tree. Excellent work! Try to help others learn this concept. All the best! Congratulations on completing this lesson. See you in the next lesson.